to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot at startup funding and investing. Investors review the startup founder's pitch to determine if it's worth pursuing or not. Most startup pitches follow the same model of problem, solution, and how it works. The team, traction, competitive advantage, and business model follow. And the pitch closes with a financial forecast, the investment ask, and exit strategy. The team and their track record on launching and exiting startups is the most important factor. If your team has experience with startup launch and exit, then make that known up front. Other factors of lesser importance include the following. The business model. If you have a recurring revenue business model, then that will positively impact the investor's consideration. The size of the market and its growth rate is also interesting. And the target market has some impact as some investors are known to be quite profitable, such as healthcare. The lowest consideration goes to the financial forecast, exit strategy, and investment ask. These are envisioned numbers and will most likely change over time. In building your pitch deck, consider these factors and the level of importance to the investor. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start us into today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.